Now that our oil is just about heated up, we will come back and move it around to make sure that it has covered the entire bottom of the pan. And we will measure out a half a cup of rice. And we'll try and spread that evenly along the bottom. Our vegetable stock has come to a boil, so we're going to turn the heat off. We'll bring it over to our strainer and small cup, and we will drain out our veggies. We'll bring this back over here. We'll throw in our red pepper and our tomatoes. And when it starts to sizzle, because we put a half a cup in, we want to measure out 1 cup of our stock. We'll add that and give it a shake so that none of the rice is sticking. Now once this comes to a boil, we'll go ahead and turn our heat down in half. We'll put it down to 4. We'll put a lid on, and then we'll reduce it, probably for about 10 to 15 minutes.